Okay, I'm going to try this on the fly, and I'm going to hope it's going to work. But every once in a while, you get these screws that are just really bad. This one was heated up already, and it is not coming out. As a matter of fact, I just really messed it up even more. So what we're going to do is we're going to try cutting a slot, and then we're going to go after it with a flat screwdriver instead of a Phillips. And we're going to hope I don't embarrass myself. Let's just hope it works. So these cutoff wheels for a Dremel, this one here is pretty small. Normally they're about that big. But so you save the old ones because so when you cut, you don't cut as wide of a slot and mess up the screw. So we're going to go and give this a try. Okay, and there is our slot. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our torch, change glasses so we can see. And we're going to heat this thing up. That was a 20-second count. And it is going to be hot as hell. And then we're going to take a flat screwdriver. And we're going to hope that this actually works. Come on. Got it. There you go. So if you've got a screw that's really stuck, that's one way to do it. Okay, we're done.